Hello friends, hope you well and welcome back to your own channel, and our today's video topic is throw pillow cover designs in different types. So they are versatile and an essential part of home decor, adding comfort, style and personality to any space. One of the key elements that contribute to the aesthetic appeal of throw pillows is the design of their covers. Pillow cover designs come in wide range of styles, patterns, and materials, allowing homeowners to express their individuality and create the desired ambience in their living spaces. So, in this video, we'll explore some of the different types of throw pillows cover designs and that can enhance the visual appeal of your room. Number one is solid colors. One of the most classic and versatile designs for throw pillow covers is a solid color. Solid colored pillow covers can effortlessly blend into an interior design, theme, or color schemes. They provide a clean and sophisticated look and allow other elements in the room, such as patterns or textures or furniture or walls, to take center stage. Solid colored pillow covers also make it easy to change the overall look of a room by simply swapping out the covers for different colors. Number two is geometric patterns. Geometric patterns are popular for those seeking a contemporary and modern aesthetic. These designs feature shapes such as squares, triangles, circles, or abstract geometric arrangements. Geometric patterns add a sense of structure and visual interest to a room. They can be bold and vibrant or subtle and understated depending on the colors and scale of the pattern. Geometric throw pillow covers are ideal for creating a focal point or adding a touch of visual flair to minimalist or monochromatic space. Number three is floral prints. They are timeless and can bring a touch of nature femininity to any room, whether it's delicate or dainty flowers or large, bold blooms. Floral prints, throw pillows covers add a vibrant and cheerful ambience to living spaces. They are perfect for creating a fresh and inviting atmosphere, especially in bedrooms and living rooms or sunrooms. Floral prints can be incorporated into various design styles, from traditional and vintage to bohemian and eclectic. Number four is stripped and chevron. Stripped and chevron patterns are classic designs and offer a sense of energy and movement. They can be used to create a visually dynamic and playful atmosphere. Stripped or chevron throw pillow covers come in a variety of color combinations and orientations, allowing for endless possibilities in mixing and matching with other patterns or solid cover pillows. Number five is texture and embellishments. Texture adds depth and tactile appeal to throw pillow covers, from plush velvet or soft chenille to woven fabrics and embroidered details. Texture pillow covers provide a luxurious and cozy feel. So, throw pillow cover designs offer countless possibilities for expressing personal style and enhancing the ambience of the space, whether you prefer solid colors or geometric patterns, textures, or embellishment for added depth. There is a wide range of options to choose from. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like this information. If you like our video, subscribe us.